You're hiking up a mountain, diving into crystal clear water, or bombing down a trail on your mountain bike, but your footage looks like it was shot on a potato. Yeah, it might be time to upgrade your action camera. This year, we've tested everything from tiny magnet-mounted cams to beastly 8K rigs. Whether you're shooting for TikTok, YouTube, or just want the cleanest slow-mo of your backflip into a lake, these are the best action cameras you can buy in 2025. Let's break it down. Let's kick things off with a camera that doesn't just capture the action, it captures everything. The Insta360 X4 is the latest evolution of Insta360's 360-degree platform, and this time, they've nailed it. We're talking full 8K 360-degree video at 30 frames per second, or 4K 100 FPS if you want buttery slow-mo. But here's the magic. Thanks to Insta360's invisible selfie stick trick and their powerful mobile app, you can reframe your footage in post as if you had a multicam setup and a drone. One take becomes 10 shots. That's game-changing for content creators. You also get horizon lock, voice control, real-time preview via your phone, and excellent battery life, even when filming in 360. And yes, it can take a beating. Dustproof, waterproof, up to 10 meters without a case, and cold weather certified. If you want a camera that can do everything your GoPro does and then some, the X4 is it. DJI's not just about drones anymore. The Osmo Action 5 Pro proves they're serious about action cams too. The biggest standout? Native waterproofing up to 20 meters without a housing. That's double what most action cams offer. Combine that with DJI's Horizon Steady Stabilization and a large 1.3-inch image sensor, and you get incredibly stable, detailed video even underwater. Battery life is excellent, clocking over 160 minutes in 1080p and around 90 minutes in 4K. It also has dual color screens, great for vlogging or framing underwater, and supports 10-bit D-Log M color if you want to color grade your footage later. In terms of ruggedness, this is a camera you can toss in your bag, take to the beach, into the snow, or under a waterfall. No accessories needed. If your adventures involve water, dirt, or unpredictable terrain, the Action 5 Pro should absolutely be on your radar. If what you care about is pure video quality, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 might be the best-looking action cam footage you've ever seen. This beast records 8K at 30 FPS, but more importantly, it does it with great dynamic range, realistic colors, and shockingly good low-light performance, thanks to the large 1.3-inch sensor and Leica-engineered lens. You also get built-in AI tools for auto-framing, scene detection, and even AI-enhanced noise reduction, making this ideal for creators who want top-tier footage with minimal effort. It supports HDR video, 10-bit color, and has all the modern essentials: voice control, gesture commands, Wi-Fi 6 streaming, and USB-C fast charging. And even though it's small and light, it's got a rugged IPX8 rating, so don't worry about rain or snow. If you're doing YouTube, film, or even pro-level TikTok content and want cinematic results straight out of camera, the Ace Pro 2 is your weapon. Not everyone wants or needs to spend $400+ on an action cam. That's where the Akaso Brave 8 Lite steps in. And honestly, it over-delivers for the price. You're getting 4K video at 30 FPS, a built-in touchscreen, and decent electronic image stabilization. Sure, it's not GoPro-level smooth, but for less than $150, this thing is shockingly capable. It's small, super lightweight, and includes a waterproof case rated to 40 meters. Battery life isn't bad either. I got around 70 minutes of 4K recording on a single charge. Now look, it doesn't do 8K, and it struggles in low light. But in daylight, footage is crisp, colors are natural, and the audio's usable. If you're a student, a beginner, or just want something you won't cry over if it falls off your bike, the Brave 8 Lite is the best value cam out there right now. You knew it was coming. The GoPro Hero 13. Black is, once again, the most balanced, refined, and dependable action cam of the year. It shoots in 5.3K at 60 FPS, has a new hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization system, better than ever battery performance, and supports advanced features like scheduled capture, night effects, and the Max Lens Mod 2.0. What really puts it over the top is GoPro's ecosystem. The Quick app is now cleaner and faster, voice controls are more accurate, and the physical design hasn't changed much. But that's a good thing. It's durable, compact, and easy to mount anywhere. It's not trying to be a 360 cam. It's not packed with AI gimmicks. It's just the best do-it-all action camera you can throw in a bag and trust in any situation. From mountain biking to kayaking to city vlogging. Whether you're a casual weekend warrior or a seasoned creator, the Hero 13 Black delivers the goods year after year. And that's a wrap. 5 action cams worth your money in 2025. Whether you're shooting 8K, diving deep, or sticking to a budget, there's something here for everyone. Which one's going in your bag? Drop a comment, let's talk gear. If this helped, give it a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp, keep creating.